There are 4 different ways you can filter residents based on their status. Each one also comes with an accompanying field within messages options to make your targeting even more specific. The first status is new. These are residents whose information have been entered into your EHR, but who have not yet moved in. In message options, the accompanying field is waitlist status. For current residents, you are able to communicate with them based on payer type or patient care type. All these fields are mapped to your EHR and will be specific to you. For discharge residents, a new section opens up, and this allows you to filter between specific dates or date ranges. You can really go back as far as you like. It's not very limited in terms of date. The accompanying field in message options is the discharge reason. For newly admitted residents, these are residents who have been admitted within the last 60 days. Similar to discharge, you can choose a range of dates or date ranges, but you are limited to only going back within 60 days. As well as in the numerical field as well, you can only go back to 60 days.